Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for joining in for the video. We are currently at Dufferin and Rutherford intersection, just outside of No Frills. I just wanted to start doing some good in our community and different communities, starting with Newmarket, Ontario, since I spent close to 10 years of my life there, and I got to know the community and people and some local businesses pretty well. Not to mention some of the jobs that I do there, the renovation and just general handyman stuff. It's just a very, very nice community from everything I've seen in the 10 years plus that I've been there. Close to 10 years that I lived, and then the past couple of years just doing work there that keeps bringing me back to the city. So I thought one of the best ways to help is getting some general food, I guess, for the community fridge within Newmarket. Like I said, I want to start doing more and more and more. We're all human, right? Everybody has their ups and downs. I guess it's just unfortunate that some people don't have enough of whatever it is they want. And I'm just talking about basic day-to-day stuff, whether it's food or just having enough money to cover your rent or your utilities. I guess the most important thing is health and just feeding your family and having a roof over your head. Since I'm not in a position to give out health or shelter for now at least, the least I could do to start with is try to help with what I can, which is giving some food. So in a couple of minutes we'll go into the store. We have our reusable bags ready. But before we go in, let's see what the Newmarket foodpantry.ca has to say about this. Oh, there's a video too here as well. Let's watch the video just to see what this whole idea is.
What is a community fridge? A community fridge is a public repository of fresh, donated foods that anyone can take from for free at any time. Community fridges are designed to facilitate access to nutritious foods and reduce food waste. The Newmarket Food Pantry Community Fridge is a Neighbors Helping Neighbors initiative to increase access to nutritious food for all Newmarket residents. Everyone is welcome to take food from the fridge at any time, in any quantity, as often as they'd like. Whether you're looking for a quick snack or to top up on groceries, the community fridge is here for our community. Food is donated daily by businesses, organizations, individuals from across the community, and the Newmarket Food Pantry. Who can access the fridge? Anyone. Everyone is welcome to take food from the fridge at any time. The general idea is to take what you need and leave what you can. The fridge is open to the public 24 hours/day, 7 days a week. What to donate? Acceptable fresh products, dry goods, sealed non-alcoholic beverages, prepackaged bread and pastries, meals prepared in public health inspected kitchens, labeled with an ingredient list, location prepared and date prepared and / or best before date, frozen foods, new personal care items. Why a community fridge? Reduces food insecurity, offers dignity, choice, and flexibility, prevents good food from going to waste, neighbors supporting neighbors, contributes to a stronger and healthier community. Want to hold a food drive? Holding a fundraiser or food drive not only helps us provide nourishing meals to those who need them, you also help to educate the community about the realities of food insecurity and the importance of working together to make a difference in the lives of everyday people.
Okay, so it's a very nice video. Obviously, thanks to everyone who was behind of making the video and just raising awareness, I guess. When you need help, you need it. Sometimes people are ashamed or embarrassed or shy or whatever the reason is, or they just can't physically ask for help because they're not capable of. It's totally okay. Nobody's ever alone. And I guess this is a good thing because if people, for whatever reason they may have, they can't reach out, they can simply go, take what they need for themselves or their families, and just continue with life and hope for the best. And we just need to get along, help each other when we need help. Let's close this and let's start going shopping. Oh, another thing before we go inside, I'm not sure how yet, but sooner or later I will also be giving out gift cards. So we have a couple for Petro-Canada. We have a few for different malls, I think. So any Oxford Mall, We have Kingsway, Upper Canada Mall, Square One, Hillcrest, Yorkdale, Scarborough Town Center, so there's a whole bunch. And then we have 2 for Cineplex. So I will be giving these out as well to local people from Newmarket or other cities as well if it works out that way. I have no particular way, I haven't thought about a plan on how I will give these out yet, but eventually I will be giving these out first, and over time I will be buying more and giving these out as well. That's all I wanted to say for now. So let's take whatever we need and start going shopping. I believe we can start with fruits and veggies as well. Let's start with some dry foods first, and then later on we'll be able to get some of the fresh produce as well. I guess over time I'll also know better what type of things people would rather have for their families, but just for today I'll grab whatever makes sense, I guess, to me. As you can tell, I'm not really good when it comes to this, but I'll try my best. I'm looking for soup cans, because during the cold weather it's always nice to have some soup. I know tuna is good as well, so we will see if we can grab a couple cases of tuna. And some people may have young kids, and I know sweet is always good. Not too good, but sometimes we just want to have sweets. Alright, now that we explained what the video is about, and now that we have all our shopping in the car, we will go ahead and make the drive to Newmarket. I will just turn off the camera until we get there so I don't get distracted, and we'll be back as soon as we're by the community fridge. It's honestly something that I've been wanting to do for quite a while now, but I guess just like everybody else, I've been running around lately trying to work and make a living just to make sure that at least my household has enough food. Nothing else is really needed other than your health, shelter over your head, and food pretty much to survive. So for those who are in need, I hope this will help in any way possible. Since I remember myself little, I always remember telling myself that if the day comes and I feel comfortable enough where I can help other people, as in I have enough of what I need, not what I want, just what I need, then I'll do what I can to help others. Now, I felt like today would be a nice day to start off with something I've been telling myself since I was a child. I know probably many years have passed since then, but I guess I never felt that I was ready for doing something like this yet. But hopefully I'll be able to do more and more of these. It looks like we have no parking, so we might have to park on the street for a couple of minutes.
From the food bank?
No.
Oh, okay. The food bank came already. Thank you for your donation.
Of course, no problem.
It's really appreciated.
Anytime.
appetite.